Getting ready to bake some chicken in this little casserole baking dish. So I already seasoned the chicken the night before, and I'm gonna add the cilantro because I'm doing some cilantro baked chicken with onions because later I'm gonna make salads for dinner. I'm just working on downsizing baking dishes and things like that. So later in the future, I will purchase more smaller size baking casserole dishes and also purchase Dollar Tree size baking dishes. Whenever I bake chicken, I have to add onions. Onions give the chicken more flavor and more taste. It just tastes so good to me having, onions in the chicken. Okay, so the big gigantic pieces of chicken fits inside of this little small casserole bacon dish. Great, great, great.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
Have y'all ever heard of this bubble gum before? It's called Purr. Let me know. This is my first time trying it. I've seen it before in the store, but this one is in peppermint bubblegum flavor. Yeah, and it was on sale for 50 cents. So I was like, let me go ahead and purchase some gum. Yeah, let me know if y'all ever tried this before. It seemed like a healthy gum. Hello everybody, today is December the 15th. It is a Sunday and I am back in the camera because I have not been in the camera, but in this part of the vlog, I am in the camera chit-chatting with y'all. First of all, I need to put some moisturizer on my face because I don't want to be going outside with no dry skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. But by the way, I wish you all a blessed Sunday today. I hope your Sunday is going great. Yeah. What are y'all doing today? Like, how are y'all spending your Sunday? Me, I just pretty much stayed in the house all day. I did resting. Yep, that's what I did. Stayed home. Nothing like staying home because you get to relax. You're not running around outside, running errands and stuff. And besides that, it's Sunday. Today is just one of those days, yeah. Rejuvenate, relax, rest up because you've been working so hard. And yes, I've been working and I can feel it. It's coming out of my soul, okay? Like my body is telling me, girl, you need to just take it easy, okay? And tonight, you need to go to bed on time because last night I went to bed late after uploading the raw sprouts with me and also letting y'all know that I purchased that little mini bacon dish. I went to bed late last night, and sometimes working can make me go to bed late, and I'm just being in my honest truth. And yeah, but tonight I shall be in bed early, because one thing about me, I do not like waking up and feeling tired-eyed. Now, tired-eyed is feeling still kind of sleepy, but not sleepy. It's like, girl, I'm awake, okay? But my eyes, they feel like just closing and going back to bed, okay? I don't know if you call it tired eyes, but I cannot be feeling like a little sleepy. I don't know what it is either. I mean, maybe it's allergies, because I have allergies real bad, and I need to take my allergy medicine. I still need to do my nails. I have not done my nails. Maybe Friday I'll do my nails, because right now I'm just running around like, you know, plain Jane. So yeah, and it's good to wear my natural nails for a little bit. Take off those false nails for a little while. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Gotta make these salads tonight for dinner. I'm gonna vlog that for y'all. And, you know, do a little new salad type of recipe. Yeah, that's the goal for today. Y'all, let me pick y'all back up in a little bit. So I am outside tonight taking a walk. There's a Cafe Rio, a Domino's Pizza over here, but I'm not buying none of this food. So giving y'all like a little tour. That's about it. So last time when I was here, I showed y'all that they had these cakes right here. Chocolate cake loaf, and then they have a marble one right here. I might get one of these. And then they have the box of Russell Stouffer chocolates. 3 comes in here. And then maybe the marble. Look what I came across. This is cute. I think I'm gonna get this. Called Beat It Jute Ball Decor. Oh, and they have it in this color here. Okay, I think I'm gonna get that one instead. So they have it in gray and white and black, white, and brown. Let me get that one. These are good, y'all. A candle is needed. They do have the mint and eucalyptus candle, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that. What is this? This one is essentials storage bag. Okay. Thinking about doing is getting some of this rope right here and decorating one of these vase or something, because the vase is like $1.25 and I need to pick out a vase. This is a good size vase right here. I believe it's $1.25. And then we have this vase right here. I think these are $3. But I think this would be enough rope to create a DIY vase, something that looks like Pottery Barns or something like that. But I think I'm just gonna get the $1.25 vase. And we have this one right here. This one looks more like the floral vase, but I'm gonna put this vase in my bathroom. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get something like this for $1.25. Okay, and the lid came off of that candle. Gotta have this basket looking neat. I'm not sure if this is a whole rope, but let's see. We have this color here, but let me see. Hopefully this is a $1.25. It is. And I'm gonna put this one back. I'll also go back through the candles to see what other candles that they have here. This one is Healing. These candles right here, Crime Sun, Cranberry, and I love the packaging. It's cute. I wish the candle, packaging was a little bigger. This actually smells like cranberry. It smells good, and the packaging is cute, y'all. Have this one right here, eucalyptus. I bet you this one smells like eucalyptus. Oh yes, I like it. I like it. To be honest with y'all, I'm normally a eucalyptus type of candle lady, but I'm loving the Crime Sun Cranberry. I'm loving this one. I'm looking for the wallpaper. Okay, y'all, I'm in the home decor section here at the Dollar Tree. I love the home sign, but I'm not sure if I want to put a home sign on my porch. Ooh, and they have this one. It says relax, and I think this is like a eucalyptus or something, but I like it though. And then we have some more of the decorative contact paper. And of course, I come over here to look to see if they still have some more of the Birdie contact paper, because I want to use some more of this decorative contact paper. Okay, y'all, so I need 2 of these for my storage floor side table next to my sofa. So cute. And then they have some more of the floral kind, but I don't think I want to use any more of this kind of contact paper. Maybe this is something I should put in my bathroom. I like this. This is my kind of style. Yeah. This wall shelf here, the black color. This is actually beautiful. I would love some wallpaper art like this for my bedroom. This is beautiful. This is cute. Very nice. This is a picture frame, but this is something that I would put on my wall separately, and it's $1.25. So cute. You can put a mirror in here. This is cute, something different. This one is a notebook. For $1.25, they have these LED coasters. Wow, for $1.25. There's a whole lot of them right here. Wow, that's unique. Here goes some Dollar Tree baking pans. Bake a cake in here, bake some chicken. And they also have this sponge holder for $1.25. Things that I need. Is a veggie storage. Cool, for $1.25. Not bad. They have it in the white color and the turquoise. Freeman Jelly face mask. And then they have this Freeman face mask as well. And shower warming mask. Different. Love this little size Vaseline cocoa butter lotion, something to carry in the handbag or work bag. Ooh, they have these new mini manicure sets with the case, tweezers, scissors, and the clippers. Okay. Dollar Tree doing their thing one more time. Okay, y'all, I came up with an idea to make this little bed tray look a little decorative. I'm gonna put the candle over here, or I can put the candle over here. And then I'm gonna take the decor beads and line it up like that. I can make like a decorative little shape or something like that. Boom, like so. And then I can put this little vase on here like that. How it's looking so far. Yes, this is the look. And I'm just loving it. Yummy, yummy.